What is up? Welcome back, everybody, to another exciting episode of Tired Axe Outdoors. We are out on the lake. We're all geared up, snowing like crazy. We're heading about a quarter mile this way, and we're going to get set up into a spot and hopefully get after some crappie today. So stick with us. All right, guys, so we're out. We punched one hole, and we're marking fish. We got fish suspended. So we're in about 20 feet of water. Got fish suspended at, 15 feet or so. So he's playing with them, seeing if we can get something going here. We did punch a few more holes going out deeper, but if we don't have to move, we'll just hang out here and catch these. Trying to see what they are, though. Fish! Fish!
Crappie! Woo!
Found him, dude.
Yes!
There we go. First fish of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Right there.
Round two.
Round two.
Why is that crappie not moving? All right, let's take care of it.
All right, guys, we are out. We're set up. We got one ice on the fish. First hole we punched, we were marking fish right away. So, we're in about 20 feet of water. They were suspended between 20 and 15. So it's died off a little bit on the flasher now, but we've also been spending some time getting everything set up. So we've got the hub up, got the camera down. The lake's a little murky though, so we're not able to see a whole lot. So maybe we'll play with that later. But yeah, it's snowing out like crazy, but no wind. It's going to be a beautiful day out on the ice, so hopefully we'll get into some more fish, and yeah, it'll be fun. So, there you go, buddy. Nice job hooking that minnow.
Thank you. I got a little Ricky Bobby on there.
There's one.
Woo!
Let's see what we got. A crappie action. There we go.
That's a nice one.
That's a decent little one, isn't it?
That's probably a 10-inch, 9-inch.
Probably an 8.
Yeah.
That's what I would say. There we go. Little eater crappie. Yeah, man.
Going on.
Fish on!
Fish on! Ooh, it's fighting.
There you go. Nice perch, bud. Very nice, dude.
Woo!
Let's see that bad boy. There you go.
That's not a jumbo perch.
Not a jumbo, but it's better than what we were catching the other day.
Wow, chase.
Heck yeah, man.
Woo!
There you go. Hold him up by his lip.
Alright, wait, let me put my lure down.
There you go. So maybe that's what's down there on the bottom is some perch.
Oops. Got your hat.
Grab by his lip. So you can see how big he is. There you go. Hold on to him. He's not too big. There you go. Nice perch, bud. High five, man. Go.
Alright, should we release him?
No, we'll keep him. We can take him home and snack. So he's got a flasher full of fish. I know that doesn't look like much on there, but yeah, it's stacked from the bottom up to, let's see, that's 20, so 18 feet. So between 18 and 21 feet of water, they're stacked in there.
Got another one.
There you go.
It's a little bit more bigger.
Hey, that's a nice crappie. That's an eater, dude.
There he is. That's definitely a nice one.
You want hooked?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, that's a nice crappie.
So this was one of the red marks.
Yep.
His little tail flapping.
Mm-hmm. You got him?
Yeah, we're trying to get him hooked.
Grab him.
There you go.
There you go. Just grab by that lip, get his mouth opened up.
There you go.
There you go.
Use that as my bait.
So let's get you some more bait. He can go under the chair.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. See how much I caught that one on.
Okie dokie, man.
Alright, that's 2. I really like this gravity drop.
See? We just had to play with one a little bit.
Yeah.
So we got the set line down with a minnow.
Yep.
I got some wax worms on this one.
Wax worms on this one.
Yep, that one's got a spike on it.
Spike.
And maybe part of a crappie lip.
Probably.
That's a good mark. Earlier they were just like rushing it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Ah, I missed him. He's still there. Come back.
Is you there still?
Mm-hmm. He's come back up to it. You reach out and turn that phone on.
We're about to get a fish. Maybe.
Watch face. I don't want to hit you. Yeah. Oh, is he gone? Come on, dude. I think I missed my opportunity, folks. Yeah, he bit it there one time, but then he was gone.
So they've been.
Yeah, they're not biting hard at all today. I don't know if the snow's got them in a funk a little bit or what, but...
But again, the last few times that we've gone out, they haven't been hitting hard.
Yeah.
I think that's just how the fish are right now.
All these weather changes, and I mean, we just had a big blizzard come through, and the barometric pressure's been all over the place, and so that's been a little bit of a challenge, but fish like consistency.
Yeah, 6 for the frying pan.
Exactly. Yep, we got six fish on the ice. The first one came right away.
We didn't even have to try for that one.
Just punched a hole and they were there.
Yep.
We kind of knew this spot was good though. I mean, we've fished here multiple times before. If you guys go way back, I can tag that video in the link, but we were out in this same area with an older auger that we actually lost. So it came unchucked from the drill and went to the bottom of the lake. So it's somewhere between us and shore, and haven't been able to locate it since then. We were kind of hoping to find it, maybe see if there was some fish suspended off of it and use it as some structure, but we haven't been able to relocate it, even this summer. I know, thumbs down, right? But that's all right. We got that Eskimo now. That thing is a beast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Night and day difference.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, fish.
I haven't got a single fish in so long.
That's what I'm saying. I think we're going to have to go out and chase them.
Yeah.
You know, Joe?
Yeah. All right, let me start getting geared up.
Come on, buddy. After you sit in a fish house for an hour, you come outside, and even with your gear on, it still feels pretty cold compared to inside there. Here, just come fish this for a sec. I'll just go punch a bunch of holes.
My rod reel's still over this one.
Well, here, just use this. It's already down there. There is something down there, but here we go. Yeah, they're just not really interested. You can move. There's this hole right here too. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video for now. We were able to get into 6 or 8 fish, caught a few more small ones that we let go, but overall the bite was kind of tough today. I mean, the weather outside is nasty, so we weren't really able to chase them like we wanted to. Kind of had to hunker down, but this Eskimo hub house kept us plenty warm, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice and toasty in here. So anybody who says insulated shacks aren't the ticket, they're lying, because they're amazing. All right, guys, so he's got a couple of fish here. Hold them bad boys up.
These are the two biggest fish. Biggest crappie, biggest perch of the day.
There we go. So like I said, nothing big, but we've got some fish to take home and eat. And the little guy will be digging that because he loves fish. So, all right, guys, once again, appreciate you checking out this video. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Head over to Instagram. Check us out there at tiredaxoutdoors.com and on our website, www.tiredaxoutdoors.com. Check out, pick up merch. These hoodies will be on there soon. We got can koozies, all kinds of fun stuff. So make sure you hit that up. And until next time, you guys stay safe. We'll be here waiting on a flag.